Okay. Hello, everyone. First of all, thanks a lot for being here today at the Odoo experience. So my name is Sébastien Dieu. I'm the CSO of BHE. So today I'm gonna present our module about Birthlist and baby store management. So this is the agenda of today. I'm gonna say a few words about BHE. Then I'm going to explain why we developed a Birthlist management module. Then I will go through the demo and I'll give you some information in order to contact us. So as you can see, there is the QR code if you have any question during the presentation, so feel free to scan it and I'll be happy to answer your question. So first of all, BHE, so we are an Odoo partner, Odoo Gold partner for 15 years now. The company was created by Bertrand in 1998. We're based in Mons, it's 45 minutes driving from Brussels, and we are also the editor of the solution Odoo, so the mobile solution for Odoo. I'm gonna also link you to the different talks we had during the Odoo experience. So we had the chance to present Antopolis, our smart city tools management based on Odoo. We also had the chance to present the Glory connector, and if you want to have more information about all the product that we have, you can come and visit us on our booth. It's situated close to the entrance. The small beer here is because I'll ask you to go through the presentation of Antopolis and Glory connector, because the guys who have the more likes will have to pay a beer to the whole team at BHE. So please go ahead and like the presentation. So today, Birthlist management, as I mentioned to you, we had a chance to work for a customer based in Belgium, which is called Cabane des Lutins. They were using Odoo, and they were asking us to be able to manage the Birthlist and also the store, of course. And we had to develop two separate stuff. The first one was the portal for the parents, and on the other side, the store management. So very happy to work with Cabane des Lutins, and please go and visit their website to see how we built the solution. So I'll go through the demo in order to show you how it works. So basically, I'm gonna just set it in full screen. There it is. So basically, we have a website. First of all, I'm gonna just go through the parents portal. So I'm gonna log it as a parent right here. There you go. All right. And I'm gonna show you how the parents can go through the website and can create Birthlists. So imagine that you are a parent and you're gonna try to, first of all, link to the Birthlist. So you see that you don't have any Birthlist right now. And I'm gonna start creating my own Birthlist. So as you can see, I start creating my own Birthlist, so I can add a picture, I can add a name. So for instance, this is Dear Sébastien. And I'm gonna say thanks a lot for being here today. And then I create my Birthlist. So right now, as you can see, the Birthlist is empty. So I'm gonna start adding some products. So I can just type here some product. There you go. So for instance, I said I had a flash. There you go. I'm adding the product. Wait a second, don't know why it doesn't work. I'm gonna go through here right now, because as you can see, I can add it via the Birthlist right now. So just by typing the name of the product, or I can go through the shop. So if I go through the shop, I can add it to my Birthlist right now, the stroller, whatever, and then right now if I go through my Birthlist, I'll have all the product that has been had, okay? So right now I create my Birthlist right now, but you can see also that here, the stroller, as it is an expensive product, you can have multiple participation. So I'm going to show you how we work in the back office afterwards, but you can already see that the stroller, instead of buying it just as one product, we can have several participation and build it. So as a parent, I can still continue to edit my Birthlist, of course, and I can have access to my standard Odoo account right here to see what has been had to my Birthlist, what has been purchased, and so on, my invoice, my bills, and so on. So this is Odoo standard. Okay, so this is for the parents portal. Now I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna just connect it to the baby store management. So as you can see right now, I have the Odoo. I'm gonna just zoom it a little bit. So I have the basic module of Odoo, so sales and so on, and then I have the Birthlist right here. So here you can see that the Birthlist that has been created on the website by the parents is accessible here right now for the baby store manager, and you can see here all the product that has been added right now. On the Birthlist, you also have the possibility to see if it's already available or no, if it's has been delivered and so on, and you also have the possibility to communicate and exchange with the parents. So I'm gonna go through another list right here. So here you see that the plush has been fully offered, fully delivered, and so on. So you can see everything basically based on the Birthlist itself, and you can see right now all the messages and so on that has been exchanged through the portal. Right now you also have the possibility to add other products. So let's imagine that the parents say, okay, I forgot to add a product. As a baby store manager, I can go through here and add other product right now. And if I go now, I don't know which product I have, there it is. If I save it and I go back through the parents portal, I'll see the product that has been added by the baby store manager right here. So if I go back to my Birthlist, I'll see the other product that has been added. Okay. Right now what I'm going to show you as well is that I have the possibility to buy product on the Birthlist. So if I connect it as a customer, I'll go through the basket here and I'll see that I can add, for instance, congratulations for the baby. There you go. And I can go through the system. I can decide if we want to pick up it in store or if we want to deliver. So I'm going to say that the parents will pick it up at store, and I'm going to go through the system right now to buy it. There you go. Hopefully it works. And this is it. There you go. And now the payment has been done. So the parents will receive a notification that the product has been bought by someone, and it can go through the Birthlist right now. And if I click here, there you go, Dieu Sébastien, I'll see that the product has been fully offered. Okay, so this is for the parents and the people that want to buy on the website. Okay. So another interesting stuff that we developed for the customer, it's the product configuration. So as I said before, I'm sorry, I clicked on the wrong. Sorry. Yep. So if I go through the Birthlist right here, sorry, the product here, and I take the stroller. As I said before, if we have an expensive product, we can buy multiple participations. So if I go through the product itself, I have the possibility to sell the stroller as it is, or I can decide to split the stroller part in different parts. So multiple part search it is, $50 for several parts, and then I can decide to split it in, and this is something that can be had on the basic product in Odoo. Last but not least, as I said before, it's a shop, so we have the point of sale, of course, and through the point of sale, if someone is entering the store and you want to buy some product for specific Birthlist, we can select the Birthlist through the store, and we can add as well multiple products. So right here, if I click on those products, I can buy it through the Birthlist, and if I go through the payment, I can say, okay, I'm gonna buy it by cash, and I can add a buyer message such as congratulations for the baby. There you go. And here it's an alert because, as I said before, the stroller cannot be sold as one part. It has to be separate in the multiple participation. So right here, the guy who is at the desk see that you cannot buy the product as one product, but you have to add separate parts. So this is the reason why I'm going to remove this. Here it is, and I'm going to now be able to perform the order right now. I'm gonna remove it here. Sorry, I removed the wrong one. So this is it, and there it is. Oh, sorry. Demo effect. I don't know why it's not working. There you go. I'm gonna just remove this one. Yep, there it is. And this is it. Okay, so now, right now, the product has been added to the Birthlist, and if I go back through the Birthlist, of course, everything has been added right here, and I can see now as a manager, but also as a parent on my parent portals, that everything has been offered for the plush. And that's it. I took twice the flush, so that's the reason why. But I can see all the delivery and so on. I can see if it's available in the stock and so on. So really a tool to manage the Birthlist and within the system. And as I said before, we have the possibility to have also the confronted product. So right here I can have the stroller with the several participation. And if someone is buying a participation, I'll be able to see it right here. So this is for the demo. I'm gonna go back to my presentation. So if you want to have more information, you can go through all several websites. So bhe.be, myodoo.com for the mobile app, and untoplist.com for the smart city tool. Of course, we also on the several social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and so on. And if you have any question, I'll be happy to answer your question. Thanks a lot for being here today.
There are no questions at the moment.
Pardon?
Il n'y a pas de questions
Ah, okay.
pour le moment. Does anyone still have a question? Thank you for listening and for your presentation.
Okay. All right, thank you. Thanks a lot.